Welcome back to the College Oracle, where I give you clear strategies for getting into your dream school. Today, we're talking about the most important 650 words you'll write. The Common App Personal Statement. This essay isn't about your grades or major. It's about who you are, your character, your growth, the challenges you've faced, and meaningful experiences. By the end, you'll know how to choose your topic, avoid pitfalls, and use your authentic voice to connect with admissions officers. What the personal statement is and isn't. The personal statement isn't where you explain why you want to major in a subject. That's for supplemental essays. Here you answer, who are you beyond grades and scores? Think about moments that shaped you, overcoming a setback, making a hard choice, or learning something meaningful in everyday life. You don't need a dramatic story. Common experiences can be powerful when told in your own way. As Salman Rushdie says, humans learn about themselves through stories. This is yours. Authentic voice. Your authentic voice is your biggest asset. Thousands of essays are online, but copying style or vocabulary can backfire. Admissions readers know when something feels off. Your experiences, humor, and writing rhythm are unique. Don't force fancy words you don't normally use. If storytelling is your strength, use it. Ask yourself, when they finish reading, what do I want them to remember about me? That's your North Star. AI and the writing process. AI tools like ChatGPT can help with brainstorming or grammar, but never replace you as the writer. AI can make essays sound generic, stripping away personality. Admissions officers can tell. Your personal statement is about your lived experiences. Use AI as a coach. Draft first yourself, then use it for organization and clarity. The Common App Prompts. Prompt 1. Share a background, identity, interest or talent essential to who you are. Focus on meaning, not a list of achievements. Prompt 2. Lessons from obstacles. Show how you responded and grew, not just what happened. Avoid cliches unless shown in a fresh way. Prompt 3. A time you questioned or challenged a belief. Show your internal debate. Keep it personal, not political. Prompt 4. Something done for you that made you grateful in a surprising way. Focus on the surprise and how it changed you. Prompt 5. An accomplishment or event that sparked growth. Show the transformation, before and after. Prompt 6. A topic you find so engaging, you lose track of time. Show how it reflects your values, not just your interests. Prompt 7. Any topic of your choice. Pick something only you could write about. You don't need to be extraordinary to write an extraordinary essay. Just be honest and specific. Choose a story only you can tell. Make the reader feel they truly met you in 10 minutes. If this boosted your confidence, like, comment, and subscribe for more college application tips. You have a story worth telling. The right words will make it heard.